Hello, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher, and today I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw a tree. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Over the years, it has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Now, if you're looking to make your trees look a little bit more realistic, this is your project. This tree tutorial shows students how to draw one with alternating branches that go back and forth, and then have a bushy outline going all around them. It's kind of like seeing the inside and outside of the tree at the same time, which makes things a whole lot more interesting. Let me show you how easy it is to do. First, the materials you need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. You can also download this free Draw a Tree PDF tutorial from my website. Look in the description for a link. Before you begin your drawing, it really helps to first make guides on your paper. All you have to do is fold and crease the paper in half in both directions, like I'm doing here, and then open it back up. You'll have lines that match my directions, which really do help. Plus, they completely disappear by the time you're done coloring. Step number 1. Begin the tall Y shape near the top of the paper and make it go all the way down to the bottom of the paper with a root added off to the right side. Step number 2. Add a line to make that branch and continue down, turning into a trunk that has a root going off to the left side. Step number 3. Now make this a closed shape by adding a small V at the top and a couple of roots at the bottom. Draw a branch on the top left to finish the Y shape of this tree. Step number 4. Next, add a branch on the right, just a little lower and a little longer. Now draw another branch on the left side, also a little longer and a little lower. Step number 5. Add another branch on the right, a little lower and a little longer. And finish with a branch on the left side. Notice that they all have 2 points on the ends. Step number 6. Now it's time to add some smaller, what I call baby branches. I'm drawing some here and there so it looks like a full and healthy tree. These can all be short with just 1 point on the end. Step number 7. Now comes the bushy, leafy outline of the tree. Start at the top and start to curve down with lots of fine little bumpy shapes. Don't rush, you'll do your best work if you go slowly. Continue that bumpy line down and to the left to meet up with the tree trunk. Continue the line to the left and up. Remember, the goal is not to have a perfect oval. In fact, a line that is kind of blobby looks the most realistic. And that bumpy line now goes up and around the branches to get back to where it started. Step number 8. Add a few lines of leaf texture all around the tree. I'm going to draw about 6 or 7 or so. Now add a horizon line. This one is pretty low, but you could always make yours higher if you want more grass to show. And I'll finish off with 2 clouds in the sky. I like to draw mine with flat bottoms and then have them go off the page. Feel free to add more to your drawing though if you want. Step number 9. Okay, the drawing is done, so it's time to trace all those pencil lines with a good black marker. Work slowly so you can stay on those lines as best you can. When the drawing is done, it's always smart to take a moment to erase any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. And now is my favorite part, coloring. I'm going to start with brown for my tree trunk. Press hard so you get a nice rich color. Next is a bright green for all those leaves. You also need to press hard for this color too, so you get a really rich green color. The grass could be colored with the same green or a darker or lighter crayon. It's up to you. And last but not least, the light blue sky color. Work slowly so you can color in neatly all around that tree. And there you go, this tree drawing is done. If you haven't tried drawing trees like this before, with a very fine bumpy line instead of one with really big bumps, you should try it out. It really adds a more refined look to your tree. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you've enjoyed this tree drawing tutorial video. I do have even more tutorials like this one on my website, Arch Projects for Kids, including how to draw a fall tree and how to draw a grid tree. I hope you check them out and that you keep on drawing.